Too many notifications from different apps can quickly become distracting, especially when your phone keeps buzzing with alerts you do not really need. On the Samsung Galaxy A27, you can easily control notifications and choose which apps are allowed to send you alerts. In this guide, we will show you two simple methods to turn off app notifications and enjoy a cleaner, less interrupted phone experience. The first method is through the main settings menu. This option is useful when you want to manage notifications for multiple apps or stop alerts from apps you rarely use. Go to the settings page. Scroll down and tap on notifications. Inside the notifications menu, select app notifications to see a complete list of installed applications on your device. Now scroll through the app list and find the app that you want to silence. You can also use the search bar at the top to quickly locate a specific application. Once you find the app, tap the switch next to it to disable notifications. When the switch turns gray, that means the app will no longer send notification alerts to your phone. The second method is a faster option when you receive an unwanted notification and want to stop it immediately. First, locate the app icon from your home screen or app drawer. Press and hold the app icon until a small menu appears. From the menu, select App Info, usually marked with an eye icon. On the app info page, tap notifications. You will see the notification settings for that specific app. Simply turn off the main notification switch to block all alerts from that application. This method saves time because you do not need to search through the full settings menu. Managing app notifications helps reduce unnecessary interruptions, saves battery life, and allows you to focus on the things that matter most. You can always return to these settings anytime and enable notifications again whenever you need them. There you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can stop unwanted app alerts and enjoy a more peaceful Samsung Galaxy A27 experience.